I'm starting by taking my concealer, and this is one that I got from Ipsy, and I'm going to put that under my eyes and on any spots that I want to cover up. And I'm also going to use it as a primer for my eyeshadow. For my everyday makeup, I usually do my face first because the eyeshadows that I use aren't shimmery, they're all matte, so they don't really leave anything on my face. And also, that way my foundation can set longer, so if I have to go in and touch it up after I do my eyeshadow, I can do that. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending in all the concealer. Now I'm taking my Dream Urban Cover Maybelline foundation in Natural Ivory, and I'm just putting this all over my face. I just got this one and I really like it because it's not super heavy and it also has sunscreen in it, so it's good for your skin. Now I'm just taking my Real Techniques foundation brush and blending everything in. For my eyes, I'm taking a blending brush and I'm using my Tarte Tartelette palette, and I'm using Force of Nature and buffing that into my crease. Now, using the same brush, I'm taking Wanderer and I'm putting that in my crease as well, but focusing more on the outer corner. And with the same brush again, I'm taking Free Spirit and I'm using that to highlight my brow bone. Now, with a flat brush, I'm taking Caregiver and putting that all over my eyelid. Here, I'm going back in with the blending brush and using Force of Nature again in my inner crease. Now, I'm taking Power Player and I'm buffing that into my outer crease. Now, with my pointed brush, I'm taking the shade Wanderer and putting that underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking the same brush and going in with Power Player, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner of my eyes. Now, to brighten up my eyes, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm using Supermom, and I'm going to be putting that on the inner corner. Here, I'm just taking a white eyeliner pencil and putting that on my waterline to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational in the shade Blackest Black. Now I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and I'm using this to contour my face. I'm taking my Chorus blush that I also got from Ipsy. I'm not sure what shade this is because it doesn't say, but it's like a warm beigey color. I almost forgot about my lipstick, but here I'm using the Kylie lipstick in the shade Bear, and this one's the Velvet, not the matte. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday makeup look. It's just my go-to. It's just simple, easy, basic, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you guys like this video if you liked it and leave me any video suggestions for me to do. And I know next week I'm going to be doing a challenge video with my boyfriend, so that's going to be really fun. So make sure you guys are subscribed so y'all can see that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.